Adding on to the industry's most extensive line of industrial robots for arc welding, FANUC America is proud to introduce the new FANUC ARC Mate 100IC 8L long-arm arc welding robot. In this demonstration of the robot's capabilities, the new FANUC ARC Mate 100IC 8L uses a FANUC iRVision camera to locate the orientation of a tube boiler. The robot moves into position to simulate welding the boiler. This tube boiler is held in place and moved by a 2-axis positioner. The robot and the positioner work in coordinated motion as the robot simulates the weld. The FANUC ARC Mate 100IC 8L is designed to help manufacturers boost production time while lowering energy costs. It offers a 2,028mm reach, 8kg payload, and an enhanced motor and servo system to shorten cycle times, which improves productivity. Compared to its previous model, this new robot offers a 30% reduction in power consumption and is 40% lighter. The ARC Mate 100IC 8L's long reach and slim arm allow it to easily weld large parts, even in small workspaces. In addition, the robot's excellent motion range, with the industry's best reach and stroke ratio, ease part placement and accessibility. After welding is completed, the robot performs a series of coordinated movements and the cycle repeats. To learn more about FANUC's industry-leading line of industrial arc welding robots, including the new FANUC ARC Mate 100IC 8L, please visit robot.fanucamerica.com.